Hey there and welcome. I just wanted to go over and show you how to use our mobile app just so you're familiar with some of the tech that we use at CMG. So, getting started, we use a lot of technology these days during the mortgage process, and I want to make it as smooth as possible. So, here's what the app looks like on your phone. You just enter your email address, and our system will guide you through the rest. You're just going to answer a few questions to register your account, and then you're going to be directed to the App Store to download the app. And this process is the same for Android or Apple. And getting started, it'll take you then back to our landing page and you just click sign in or get started. And sometimes it might ask you for a code that'll text you to your phone. Again, just protecting your identity and making sure you got the app downloaded. You'd enter your email and password. And then once you're logged in, you just follow those prompts and move forward in your home ownership journey. I can't wait to help you. Reach out if you have questions.